This is basically a dummy data that I've been able to generate, and I've added some dummy list of candidates here, and then just random application outcomes here. Um, this is the names, the emails, phone numbers, and then status, and then the reason for the denial of the application, and then any recommendations that we might have. We'll obviously collect feedback here as well, and then we'll add timestamp here automatically every time we talk to them or notify them of something. Document status will be basically if their application is approved, then have they sent you the documentation. If not, then we can send a reminder, and then we can capture the timestamp for that as well. Your staff can utilize these sections for internal notes, and this is basically a simple workflow which obviously we can manipulate and change and modify the way we want it. So what this is going to do is this is going to take that sheet, which was the dummy data sheet, which is this one, and extract these tables from here, and then create a message which will be personalized. Again, this is a message that we can create however we want. And then in this instance, I've been able to use Telegram message. So as a demo, I'm just going to show you that we're going to notify the candidates via Telegram and then log the output later as well. So let's just have a quick look, and I'm just going to test this workflow. And then what you're going to see here is after we hit the test workflow here, it is going to start flowing here, and it's going to send a message to Nina Lee, who was the first candidate here, informing her of the denied outcome with the low credit score, and then have this recommendation on the message as well. So this is what I've been able to come up with as a message, and then this is the recommendation here, and then a little something, and then obviously I've been able to attach this feedback form which they can be redirected to as well, where we'll collect a survey of what they thought of your services, and obviously they can rate it here, and this is exactly what we're gonna capture here. And then obviously this can also have a link to the feedback form, and then we can follow up in case it needs following up. So what we can do is we can also send these messages to all of these people at once, and as you can see, there are some of these. It's going to say what's going to do is it's going to send it to all the 20 people here, and as you can see, the second one was Noah White, who had his application approved, and then it will automatically set the status to pending because we haven't received documents here, and then the timestamp here. Now you can see after Nina Lee, that was congratulations. This is the kind of message that I've created, which is again dummy, and then we're going to ask for these kind of this is just a general list of documents that we require. But yeah, so let me know your thoughts.